Hey guys and girls, welcome to your fifth HTML5 inline SVG tutorial, which is a part of ifactner.com HTML5 and CSS3 tutorial series. And in this tutorial, we will draw a circle with HTML5 inline SVG code. Up till now, we have created a file and we have introduced an SVG tag, and we have drawn a rectangle and a square with the RECT tag. And now we will draw a circle and change its properties using the inline SVG HTML5 SVG. For that, I will use the circle tag and give it an ID of my circle, and then I have to tell my code the X position and the Y position of the center of the circle. So if I would like to start my circle at 150 pixels on the x-axis and 250 pixels on the y-axis, then I have to give the CX position as 150 and CY position as 250. Then I have to tell my code the radius of my circle. I say that I would like to have a circle with a radius of 50 points or 50 pixels on each side, and in the same manner as we did it in making the rectangle, we can give the fill color. Let's say that I would like the fill color of my circle to be red, and then you can give the border color and the border width of your circle, but we would do it in the next example. I click on the save button and I click on run command in Notepad++, which is a free software, and go click on launch in Chrome. And now you see that we have got a circle which has a radius of 150 pixels. Now let's say that I would like to move my circle over here. Then how can I do that? It means that I need to change the Y position of my circle. So I would just go to my file and say that the circle Y position of my circle should be 150. Go to my browser file after saving my file and click on the reload button, and now that you can see that my circle is overlapping on my blue rectangle. In the same manner as we created our rectangular border, we can make the border of our circle. I just copy and paste my circle code, paste it, and now I say that I would like to start my circle at 320 pixels on the x-axis, and on the y-axis I would like to start it at 150 pixels, and I would like the radius of my circle to be 70 pixels, and for border I would use the inline styles. I say that the style of my circle, the stroke color or the border color of my circle should be blue, and let's say that we want our fill color to be pink, and I end this property and its value with a semicolon and give the name of the new property which I would like to change, which is the stroke width, and I give its property to be 5 pixels. I end in my statement with a semicolon and the whole style tag with the double quotes. Here I would like to tell you that you can use the internal style sheets and the external style sheets to change the border and the border width of your circle. I click on the Save button, go to my ifactner.tutorial and in the browser and click on Reload this page. And now you see that I have got a pink circle whose center is at 350 pixels on x-axis and 150 pixels on y-axis, whose radius is 70, but there is the problem with the style. So I think that I have made some mistake, and that was I wrote stork. So I change it to stroke, save my file, click on the refresh button in my browser, and now you see that I have got a circle with a blue border. And if I would like to move my circle on the x-axis, I would say that its center should start at 400 pixels on, or 420 pixels, let's say, on x-axis. Click on save button, go to your browser, click on the refresh button, and now your circle has moved to 420 pixels on x-axis and 150 pixels on the y-axis. So this is how you can make or draw a circle on your SVG working area. And in the next tutorial I will show you how to draw different types of lines and how to change the angles and the color properties of those lines. So please join me in the next ifactner.com video tutorial. Until then, take care. Bye bye.